Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we got food coloring kit. So you can use it for cakes, cupcakes, donuts, and other desserts. So it's just a simple kit. I want to start doing baking more, and FDA approved. On the back it gives what it's made out of: food additives, syrup, glycerol, brilliant blue, tartazine, sodium carb, cellulose, potassium, sorbate, and drinking water. So yeah, let's see what colors we got here. If we can tell you, I guess we can pull them out for you guys. So I'm going to be using these in future videos on the Random Life of Scott channel. So we got lemon yellow, incense purple, sunset yellow, sky blue, pink, grass green, brown, regular green, rose, and black. So for me to fully give an honest opinion on them, I'm going to have to test them out. So this is basically just an unboxing and overview of these for people who are looking for more coloring options. So go ahead, check out the link in my video description where you guys can actually see more details. You can read other reviews of people who actually tested the product. We will be doing an updated video of me actually testing the products, so you will be able to see the color and everything. So this was just an unboxing review and showing you the packaging and everything like that. So for an unboxing, untested product review, we're going to give it a 7 out of 10, just because of presentation and how much liquid you get for the price and everything. So for food-based items like this, I like to give my honest opinion on the pricing and what you get as far as liquid quality and so forth, so I can give it a comfortable 7 out of 10. Now, for actual color grading and use, that will be a separate video that will be coming, so please subscribe to my channel so you guys do not miss that. See you guys soon.